So my name's Shub. I'm with Sophie and Udith back there. By the way, we all met each other today and just started working on this today, so it's not like anything crazy. But Sophie's like basically like an influencer, and so she's getting like all these like notifications and texts and stuff on like Twitter to like meet up, grab coffee, ask for advice, like all these things. And she's busy. She's like has her own shit going on, and so she didn't want to. She wanted some like agent that can help her like make decisions on her behalf, like book meetings, all the stuff, so she didn't have to. I felt the same way. Like I get like emails all the time, and there's like routines. Like if someone wants to like buy my product, there's like a routine I go through. If someone wants to like unsubscribe, there's a routine I have to go through. Like these kind of things. And so if I could have it a conversational assistant I can just teach these routines to and have it do stuff for me, that would be great. We tried a couple different things to get this going. We tried working with like Zapier to like not have to do the integrations ourselves, a couple different things, and it was pretty tough to get this all going. So like the last 45 minutes, we're like, maybe we should try Voiceflow. And so we got this working, which is pretty cool. On that Voiceflow, if we go that fast. I don't remember the wrong name. But this is super simple. So this is just like booking meetings. Yeah, okay. yeah, so just sending it to me. Yeah. So if I'm like, hey, Sophie, which is not how you spell her name, like a Y somehow. Can we grab coffee tomorrow? Then there's no response, but essentially it's running. Okay, to specify a date, so tomorrow itself doesn't work. It has to be like March 18th or something. Where is my cursor? But essentially what we're doing is running, sending that prompt to GPT, and then GPT is deciding that it's a calendar event and parsing it into the event name and time. And then we send that to a calendar API to put it in the calendar. And this is a combination of Voiceflow and Make. So March 18th, question mark. Let's see if that works. Oh, there's no time in there. So yeah, so it's on March 15th. And then now that work on your calendar. So like this last thing sends it to a hook to Make, which will go and then out on her calendar.
It's done.
Have a coffee shop. And obviously the future of this to add a bunch of integrations to other things. And it'd be cool to talk to people at Voiceflow to see how you can expand this. Could be annoying to manually have to integrate with every single service, but yeah.
Nicely done. Do you have any questions? All right, great job, guys.
Cool.